Garage door, I can't tell you how many times I've found this thing just sitting open, which is actually extremely dangerous, especially if you park cars in there. But it's just frustrating for me because of energy. This is what I got, this thing. This thing works awesome. So when you come in the house, you open a door, and look at this. It's spring loaded. It closes the door for you. And this is not an easy door to close. It's extremely tight, extremely well sealed. And my garage is very well sealed as well. I have multiple seals on my garage door, so this is like an airlock in here. So when you go to close this, even if you'd walk in before and you push it, it still wouldn't close. Like you can even see when you're not even close, like if you like that, it still is tough for it to close, but you really have to, load it up. And I wasn't convinced that this was going to be strong enough. I was extremely surprised. So before I actually drilled this part into my door, because I figured this is going into wood, so this is I can always putty over, I installed it, and then I put some thick plastic here just to test it out. And yeah, surprising enough, it worked. So I'm extremely happy with this. It comes in different colors. I got the black, obviously, to match my hardware. I'm just on here saying this thing rocks.